Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing the practical video on how I make this beautiful up and do buns hair on this baby for a school session party. This hair is so beautiful and so very easy to make. You can make this at home for your adorable. Watch the full video to the end and see that it is very easy. Now in this tutorial I make use of my kinky extension, braid extension. Then I use my black gel. I make use of black gel so that the hair will be so dark. Then I make use of eco gel. I part the hair into two equal sides using zigzag method. You can call it snake style, but we call this zigzag method. I use zigzag method to separate the hair into two equal parts before I start putting on my gel on the hair. This hairstyle is very simple. In less than 30 minutes you are done with it. Don't forget to make use of your dryer to dry the hair, because in this video there is no place I video the process of drying it. So you can make use of your dryer to dry the hair to be very sure that the hair will be strong. It will not get loose soon. Watch the video to the end and you love every bite of this hairstyle. Thank you for always supporting my video. Watch and subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. Love you.